Okay, Google, what's the forecast?
Currently in Toronto, it's -2 degrees with snow. Tonight, the forecast is around -2 with snow. There is currently a winter storm warning in effect.
To me, it's funny. You found a respite. A thing? Like they
it's like 5 angles over there.
Oh! Beautiful snow angles. Should I fall back?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah, it's on. Oh, it's on.
Ow!
No, why'd you do that?
I thought it would be soft. Oh my god.
It's pavement. It's asphalt. Well, how's your tailbone?
Oh, I used my wrist to break the fall. Is it pretty? Am I making?
It's a nice angle. It looks like when owls like swoop down and pick up like a hair out of the snow.
Yep. Oh, it's pretty solid.
It's solid.
Try to climb it. Yeah? You did it. Oh. Yeah, how's that going for you? It's going good? No. Yeah. You're stuck. Okay, I'm not gonna make the same mistake. Did you get stuck? Outdoor dining? Hiding. Did you get me an icicle? Should I eat it?
Sure.
I don't think it's safe to eat.
I think.
Oh fuck! Oh yeah. You're my communist. You're my communist.